Man, anybody say,
Go ahead, open up your present.
Mom.
Tell Lamar, hey, tell Lamar, Auntie Anna Mae said, I ain't gonna like that.
Mom, look over here.
Girl, put your hat on, girl. You know that's cute. You better go ahead and put that hat on. You gonna have to wear that. Go ahead, put your hat on. Go ahead, put your hat on. You gonna have to put that hat on. we need to see what you looking like in that. Go ahead, looking like Mr. Brown say.
I don't like that.
You gonna have to put that hat on. We need to see what you looking like up in that hat.
It's too funny here.
I'm not gonna put it on, Sean. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
Go ahead, put the hat on. Put the hat on, mother. I mean, just go ahead and put the hat on.
No, Sean, I'm not gonna wear it.
You ain't got to wear it, but we want you to put it on just one time. Aunt Brenda got her hat on. You go ahead and put your hat on.
You know, I'm done.
Go ahead and put your hat on. Put the hat on.
No.
Why?
I'm not gonna put it on.
You have to try the hat on at least one time. You can't not put the hat on. Go
Hey.
put the I'm like, you need to go ahead and put the hat on so we can see what you look like with your hat on. Would you please go and put the hat on?
No, really. Stop wasting the film. Stop.
I'm not. Go ahead and put the hat on.
No.
I'm going to go on over there and show everybody what you look like with your hat on. Go on over there with your hat.
Hey,
Go.
this is one of these pre-wraps.
Go ahead. Go ahead with your hat on, Brenda. Go on over there. Aunt Brenda, she ain't shaming her hat. You should be shaming your
I'm not shaving my hair. It's just not me.
Go ahead, Aunt Brenda. Go on over there with your hat on.
Oh, man,
yeah. Okay, mother, put your hat on.
No,
You gonna have to put your hat on.
They ain't gonna do that.
You shouldn't even act like that.
I'm not gonna do it, Sean. I mean that. There's some stuff I'm gonna do, and this is one of the things I'm not.
That's just so sad. Your sister bought you a hat. Eileen, we need to try them hats on, girl, because you know we gonna be looking sporty.
Yeah, y'all too. Y'all be the Bopsy twins.
That's all right.
Yeah. Y'all put
Here,
on-
Eileen. Here, me and Eileen, we gonna try our hats on. We gonna try.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Long as I don't mess up my poom. You know I'm about to get them good. I don't care what y'all say.
Not nothing like that. I mean, it seemed like y'all
Maybe
teenage.
it was just a gag gift or something.
That ain't no gag gift. Everybody wearing these. You don't know nothing about this. Look at me.
I probably like it.
I'm looking good.
Girl, sitting at the
Eileen, where your hat at? Go ahead, put your hat on, Eileen.
I didn't know that picture of Marilyn Monroe was taken downtown next to the 7th year.
What
That
picture?
is crazy.
Where her dress blowing up.
Oh, what picture? Shoot, Eileen looking good in her hat, boy. Shoot, Eileen looking good.
Y'all going up there together. Stay up there with Eileen.
Well, Shauna, you can have
y'all
your
can see-
mommies.
You know you should have put this hat on.
I got two cameras. We got ears.
We look good. We could come on, Eileen, because you know we look good. Shoot.
Crazy.
You know we look good.
Nigga Miller say,
Y'all can wear that.
2013, here we come.
Yeah, y'all can rock that. I just can't.
they can rock mine.
That's cute. We looking good. We looking good.
Daisha,
That's
you
all
want to
right.
wear mine?
Tell our aunt we said thank you.
You want to wear it?
Not the lips. Not the
You want to
black
wear
lips.
it down there at school?
We said thank you.
Y'all like stuff like that, don't you? At school? No, she don't want to wear. They don't want to wear that.
You don't like this Daisha name? You don't like it?
I wear them. I love mine.
Daisha, they gonna try it on. Daisha, they gonna try it on. Eileen, you look cute with your hair on, girl. So I know I'm looking sugar show.
This girl crazy.
Shoot. Don't tell me don't tell me I ain't looking good.
What is it about?
I bet keep you warm though.
What is it about?
Fabulous.
Exactly.
It's fabulous.
Going with the wind.
No, it's a polar bear.
Shoot.
It's a polar bear.
The thing is,
People, they look,
if you got a hat like that and you don't think it look good, if you know you look good, you better rock that thing and say it look good because you look good. And be like Mr. Brown. Go ahead looking like
Go look in the mirror, Jason. Now go in the bathroom. Look in the mirror.
Oh yeah, that's gonna fit her. But she don't like it.
Try it, Albo. Albo, try it on.
Them the Christmas presents gone bad.